Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Ramadan Mubarak. During this month, I will post lots of videos to help you get the most out of this great month. Today's topic is about how we start the month of Ramadan, and how we get great opportunities to get lots and lots of rewards by doing good deeds. Did you know that the month of Ramadan begins when we first sight the new moon of Ramadan and ends when we sight the new moon of Shawwal? A month in Islam can be 29 or 30 days long. Sometimes before a new moon begins, the clouds in the sky may be covering the moon, or it may be raining, which makes it difficult to spot the moon. In this case, we finish the month as 30 days and start the new moon on the next day. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us that Ramadan, like all the months in the Islamic calendar, begin when we first spot the crescent moon. So what does a crescent moon look like? Well, a crescent moon looks like a thin banana. When we look up at the sky and see that there is a crescent moon in the night sky, then we know that it is the start of a new moon. The month of Ramadan is the best month of the year. Our good actions are multiplied. That means we should be doing lots of extra good deeds during Ramadan. So children, are you ready to get the most out of this Ramadan? Great. Now remember, always be good to your parents and kind to others. I'll see you in the next reminder, inshallah.